Hello everyone, my name is Sarfraz and today we are going to complete the next part, that is section 2. If you have not seen my previous video, please watch the first one up to scene 1. Okay, so today we'll complete the remaining part, scene 2. Okay, and here you will see the house of daddy. Okay, his mother says, you think I don't know about him? You think I don't know about him? You think I haven't heard things? Mother का कहना है कि I know where you have gone and where and whom you have met. Daddy says you shouldn't believe all you hear. So this is the first line that shows the emphasis or the impacts or the effects of Mr. Lamb. You shouldn't believe all you hear. जो भी तुम्हें सुनाई देती है उस पर बिलीव करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. You shouldn't believe all you hear. Mother says, been told, warned, we have not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know and you are not to go back there. So mother knows everything, where he has gone and whom he has met. Okay. Daddy says, what are you afraid of? What do you think he is so? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden, and I want to be there and sit and listen to things. Listen, look, observe and understand the world. Mother says, listen to what? What do you listen from him? Daddy says, bees singing. So this is also the copy paste. What Mr. Lamb says, Daddy says the same thing. Bees singing and him talking. So I want to see him talking and I want to see the bees singing. Mother says, and what's he got to say to you? What he has got to say to you? Things that matter. Things that matter. Okay. Important things. Things nobody else has ever said. Things I want to think about. A very, you can say, it's like orator, things that matter, things nobody else has ever said, things I want to think about. So impressive. Mother says, then you stay here and do your thinking. You are best off here. So according to mother, it was better for him to stay there and to be under her mother and thinking. Okay, mother says so. Now, page number 68. Okay, daddy says, I hate it here. I don't want to live here. There is no one who can talk or who can okay, and who can see and who can stare at me and who can love, okay, and care. Mother says, you can't help the things you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. So whatever you want to say, you can say, but you will live here, you will not go far from me, okay, you will reside here in your house. Daddy says, it's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I don't care about that. It is not important. It's what I think and feel and what I want to see and find out and hear, and I am going to back there only to help him with the crab apples. I am going there for what? I am going there to help him with the crab apples. Only to look at things and listen, but I am going. So I am going there to observe the things and to listen what he says. Mother says, you'll stop here. Daddy says, oh no, mother, no. Because if I don't go back there, I'll never go anywhere in this world again. If I'll not go to meet him, if I'll not spend time with him, if I'll not listen what he says, if I'll not observe what he wants to see me observe, so my world will be ended. I'll not go anywhere in this world, because over there, I found the real meaning of my life. I understood the real beauty of human beings, or the outside beauty or outsider beauty. The out beauty is not so important. The inner beauty is important. Okay, that is our behavior, that is our mindset, that is our attitudes, that is our thinking. So thinking should be good. Okay, so it doesn't matter that what you how you look like. Okay, the door slams, Daddy runs panting, and I want the world, I want it, I wanted that world. The sound of his panting fades. Panting means breathing. Scene 3, Mr. Lamb's garden. Garden sounds, the noise of a branch shifting, apples throwing down, the branch shifting again. Mr. Lamb is steady. That's got it. That's it. More apples fall. And again, that's it. And a creak, a crash, the ladder falls back. Mr. Lamb with it. A thump. The branch swishes back, creaks, then silence. Daddy opens the garden gate, still panting. So you can see, steady. That's got it. That's it. More apples fall. So over there in the garden, this is an image of a garden. A creak, a crash, the ladder falls back. Mr. Lamb, Mr. Lamb with it. A thump, गिरने की आवाज़ आती है. And the branch swishes back, creaks, then silence. Daddy opens the gate and is still panting. Daddy says, you see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back, I wanted. He stops dead, silence. Mr. Lamb, you have. He runs through the grass, stops and kneels. Okay. He runs through the grass, stops, kneels. Mr. Lamb, it's all right, you fail, I'm here. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. Silence is there. Okay. I came back, Lammy Lamb, I came back. I did, I did come back. Daddy begins to weep. Okay. So this is the end of this scene. There are questions, 4 questions are there to solve. Please write down the answer and you can send me on my Telegram. Okay, I have already shared in the previous video my contact number. Okay, so this is the end of this lesson. But you can see our positive attitude makes a difference. When you are a positive thinker, you can express, you can distribute the positivity, you will just expand, you will spread positivity. So you, for becoming a successful life, for having a successful life, to become a successful in your life, you must surround yourself with positive thinkers, not the negative ones. So please be very aloof from the negative thinkers. नेगेटिव सोचने वालों से दूर रहना होगा, तभी जाकर आप पॉजिटिव थिंकर बन पाएंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस लेसन. Just share, like, and if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and listen. Please watch the video from the beginning to the end. That would be if you think that I am so slow, okay, so you can just increase the speed playback, and you must watch the full video. Okay, so thank you very much for your patience for watching. Okay, and if you have not watched the previous video, you must watch it, because without watching the previous video or the previous part, the first part of this lesson, you can't understand the second one. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.